Tapos na kami kumain. At dami na namang langaw. Kasi sobrang dami. Paggabi, anong madami?
Wala na.
Beetles!
Ay, oo.
Maliliit na beetles. Last morning here in, ano ba to? Mala Pascua. We have to pack. We woke up at 7 a.m. Tapos we had breakfast na. Now we're gonna pack. Pack. Tapos the boat is gonna pick us up at 9:30. 30 minutes to the port. 3-hour ride to the airport. Tapos mag-aano kami stopover for
Pasalubong.
yeah, we're gonna buy zubuchon and mga dried yumness. Andiyan na si ate kasi nalakuha yung safe. So one of the most useful gifts ever. Thank you, Jerome. I love it. We can weigh our luggages without having to use a weighing scale. We're done packing. We're gonna jam by the beach. Kaya labas mo kami dito. Hindi pa kami dito. Wala kami picture dito at all.
Baby, Lumpy.
Lumpy! Lumpy! Ay, she's a baby! No! It's Lumpy. Ha? Okay, ito ba? Lumpy! We're checked out dun kami sa room na yon. Andito sila Joy, sila Jerome dun. I think dito yata. I'm gonna walk again sa water before we leave. Maalong. Sarap. Girl. Just chilling by the beach while we wait for the time to ride the boat or to board the boat. Sa loob sila lahat, naiinit dun sila. I kind of like the warmth. So wala lang, nag-jump lang ako dito using my JBL speaker. Everyone keeps on asking, saan galing to? JBL, from JBL. They sent it over for a review. Tapos yung Bose naman is from Ad Summit. Bye, Mala Pascua! In the van na 3 hours, punta ng airport. We are here at Bogo City. We're buying pasalubong lang. Yung mga tinik, ganyan. Oh, alin mo?
O, isa't kalahati. Isa't kalahati.
Magkano? We're at the airport. Ayun na, nag-ice kami ng mga aura agad eh, no? Ng mga gamit.
Pwede na.
Kami ni Joyce, meron kaming ano sa ear, buzzing something because of the boat. Anyway, we're here! And medyo maaga kami sa airport. So, we're gonna try to look for like a baggage counter para maiwan namin yung mga gamit para kain kami. We haven't had lunch yet, so. Ay, nako. Babe! Pulang-pula si Babe. Babe, hi!
I'm so sunburned. Look.
Ang sakit nga eh. Aray! Ow!
6 o'clock na yung flight later.
6 o'clock na? 6 na? We checked in our baggages, guys, so we're gonna have lunch outside. Saan? Lechon paksiw.
Dapat nakapass lahat, diba?
Sarap yun.
You're here for like 4 hours.
Every hour.
Lechon mami, lechon paksiw. Boneless lechon, yummy. Na-delay yung flight for 2 hours, so we're gonna board at 7:10. Originally, 6:10 dapat, or mas maaga yata. So while waiting for our flight, we're gonna film the Green Boozle challenge, and iba yung ano nila siya,
You shake this up. The way that they have this displayed is different, and then you push it down, and then this is what you're dealt.
Yeah!
So every time you shake it,
It's different.
it's a different thing.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Stinky socks or Tutti
Go.
Tutti Frutti is like the best.
What's
Eat lang.
Barf, 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 barf. Go, babe. Barf, 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 bite, chew, 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 barf, barf, barf.
Finish the whole pan.
Finish the whole thing.
Pakabaho ng buwanga. Kababaeng tao.
Burger, burger, burger. No water, no water.
Get it. Oh no! Strike two. No.
Naamoy ko na stinky sa.
Dapat no
I can smell it.
Stinky socks, stinky socks.
I can smell it.
Finish it. Eat the socks. Ew.
At the girl.
Chocolate pudding.
Dog food, dog food, dog food, dog food. Gusto natin eh, no?
Kasi I'll change to the dog food. Dog food. Dog food.
Dead.
No one has water anymore.
No, no more water.
Ayaw niyo bumili.
Dead fish, dead fish. Dead.
My eyes are
Aura,
tearing up.
aura.
Here. I'm good. Give me one. It does. It tastes like that bitch. Mark is so. You're so unlucky, Mark. You had 3 bad ones.
Bio. You.
Dog food or chocolate pudding?
Dog food. Dog food. Dog food.
Ay, hindi ako.
It's missing chocolate.
boy, okay? Buying Zebu chicken. Yay, we got meals from Air Asia.
Quarter pounder.
Burger.
Yeah, burger.
What the F is this? Dalawang lava cake. I thank you, Air Asia. Too big,
They did not just give you
girl.
one, they gave you
Having dinner. We're having dinner. Nakain na kayo?
Are you going to eat here or?
I'm gonna eat here.
Okay. Jollibee. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Jerome doesn't eat meat or beef.
Beef.
Kaya binigay niya kay Mark ng sauce. And ang inilagay niya sa ano niya ay gravy.
Chicken joy gravy.
Spaghetti.
Yummy.
Innovator.
Yay! Thank you!
Kasi wala kami bukas.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Cute.
Oh, yan ang dessert mo. Kaya sabi ko, huwag mo na kainin yun, girl.
Finally boarding. Finally. Yes, Aura. Ay, salamat. Sobrang tagal namin naghintay sa plane. Ewan ko nung nangyari. Yeah, we're here! Ito ka na? Galit na si Kim.
You guys, I was convinced we were gonna be here at midnight
Yeah.
for your birthday.
Thank you.
Dahil pinakauna nag-ano eh.
Side B, side na lang.
Goodbye.
Bye, Jerome! See you again
Great
soon!
seeing you guys. Hope you'll come back soon.
Yeah.
Or you come to Seattle.
Yeah! Aura!
Aura.
Bye, Irish! See you again soon! Yeah! We're back in Manila, guys! Finally, got to sleep right away kasi tomorrow is StyleCon day and I'm gonna be hosting it. Kaya, I have to print pa pala yung ano. Kailangan ko pa i-print. Nakakaloka. Yun. That's it. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye! Bye-bye. Aura ka, aura. Aura! Okay. Bakit iisa lang yung aura mo?
Ano ba dapat?